Be just a minute.
Okay. Взлетно-полоса это мое есть. Runway, how to land over there.
Let me see if I can. Just throw it in there. 1 second. Flap should be full.
Should be full, okay.
We'll be in good shape. He's going to put all the information back in for
Yep.
us. I'm going to put it in position freeze to make sure that's what we want to do. That's that. Just the approach button. Alrighty. Hang on. There's a low, there's a glide slope. Okay, let the airplane have it for just a second.
Yeah.
And let's see what's going to happen here. Speed. There we go.
Okay.
Let's set
Now, yeah. You can hold this now? Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Now just give it a second to settle down because it's a little fast right now. Okay.
Tell me when.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn the lights off back here.
Oh, okay. Tell me when to disconnect the.
I think we're
Now.
ready to go. Yes, sir. JetBlue 10, the winds are 250 15 knots, runway 25 right, cleared to land.
Flight attendants, prepare for landing. Fasten your belts. Passengers, fasten your seat belts as well.